am going to discuss the concept of area of a parallelogram. So now first we should know what is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral, or we can say a four-sided figure in which the opposite sides are equal as well as parallel, but the angle is not 90 degree. For example, if I draw a parallelogram like this, now this is a parallelogram, this side is parallel to this side and this side is also equal to this side. Similarly, this side is parallel to this side and it is also equal to this side. So suppose if the parallelogram, name of the parallelogram is ABCD, so the properties are AB is equal to CD and AB is parallel to CD. Similarly, AD is equal to BC and AD is parallel to BC. So this is a parallelogram, and when we are supposed to find the area of a parallelogram, we can analyze that a parallelogram can be divided into two triangles. If the two triangles can be ABC and ABC, both the triangles have the same height. That means this is the height when the line is extended, AX. So AX is the height of the parallelogram. Also AX is the height of the you can say the height of the triangle. So area of ABC is equal to half into base. Base is AB, height is AX, plus area of ADC is equal to half into DC into AX. So we can say that, as we know that AB is equal to DC, so we can say that let it be equal to X. So we can say that area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into AB is X into AX plus half into, now DC is also equal to X, so X into AX. So we can say that X into AX, or now AX is, let AX be equal to Y. So area of parallelogram ABCD will be equal to X into Y, that where X is the base, X is the base and Y is the height. So we can say the area of a parallelogram is base into height. So whenever we are supposed to find the area of a parallelogram, we should know the base of the parallelogram and the height of the parallelogram. So the formula for the area of a parallelogram is base into height. Now if we have a parallelogram ABCD, then the perpendicular will be here AX. We can see that we can draw another perpendicular from the vertex C to the side AD. Let it be Y. So in the parallelogram, CY is perpendicular to AD and AX is perpendicular to CD. So the area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to base CD into AX, or it can also be equal to base can be AD into height will be CY. So the area of a parallelogram is basically equal to the base into the corresponding perpendicular. If the base is considered as CD, the height will be AX, and if the base is considered as AD, the height will be AY. So the area of a parallelogram is base into height, where base and the height are the height is taken corresponding to the base. So, or we can say that if the base is CD, the height will be AX, and if the base is considered as AD, then the height should be CY. So in both the cases the answer will be the same, but we have to analyze which is the base and which should be the corresponding height for that parallelogram to find the area. Suppose we are given a question to find the area of a parallelogram ABCD such that such that AD such that CD is equal to 12 centimeter and AX is equal to 5 centimeter. So the area of parallelogram will be CD into AX, that means 12 into 5, which is equal to 60 centimeters square. So we have to multiply the base with the height to find the area of a parallelogram. The only thing that we have to consider in our mind is that if the base CD is given, then we should know the height AX, and if the base AD is given, then the height should be considered as CY. So generally there are situations when the children generally make mistakes, that they take this as a base and take this as a height. Then the answer cannot be the correct answer, because we have to make a combination of the base with their corresponding height. That means if the base is CD, the height will be AX, and if the base is AD, the height will be CY. So this is how we can find the area of a parallelogram.